Welcome to Xhosa Predictors. As usual, I'm Dr. Glass. Now we're gonna talk about the teams going to win the league. Now Sekhukhune is doing well, is beating all the big teams in South Africa under Eric Tinkler. And then now the future of Sundowns of taking the league is certain this season, because Chiefs is knocking, Sekhukhune is knocking, and Pirates behind is also knocking. So in your take, which team do you think now you have chances to win the league?
Oh, thank you very much again. It's nice to be here again, Mr. Classy. If it was for me, I don't like to talk about this, but I'll try to say some things, because it's still early to say which team is going to win a league. It's about 6 or 7 games. I think it's about 6 games. So it's still early. We know that it's a long run to win a league.
Okay.
Let alone that we see there are teams that they are still promising that maybe they can win a league. But we know a league is a long run. For Sekhukhune is good. They are doing well down number 1. They are beating everyone. But there will be time that they will face struggling. And the squad that they have is not enough to challenge Sundowns, to challenge Pirates with a big squad. Also, we see in our neighbors, Kaizer Chiefs, they are doing well.